Hey guys, in my previous video, I showed you how to make coconut oil and I told you everything about coconut is not a waste and very useful. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make body scrub using coconut shaft and other items included. Here we have our already dried coconut shaft, which we extracted from the coconut milk. So we'll be blending our shafts before use. So this is our blending process. After blending our coconut shaft, we'll be transferring it into a bowl before mixing other items. And here we have our coconut shaft looking smooth and sharp. And the next item is this shaft we extracted directly from the coconut oil. As you can see, there's still oil inside of it. And then we also have our sugar and also honey. So these are the 4 items we'll be using for our coconut body scrub. So these items are for body scrub, not for facial scrub, please. I repeat, body scrub. So you'll be adding your oil shaft to the dry shafts and mix it very well. Make sure you mix it well. They are well mixed. So this is me transferring my oil shaft into the dry shaft. This is me mixing my shaft together, and then the next thing you do is to add your sugar and mix them very well. After adding your sugar, you mix very well, and then the last thing is your honey. Add your honey. You can use it for your arm, you can use it for any part of your body you wish to use it for, but not your face. So this is my body scrub. Thanks for watching.